Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share this business, online business startup. This here is going to be a weekly live training for 6 weeks. And it's for people who are looking to start their own mentorship and coaching consulting style business online. And we're going to get this done with three simple approaches, three simple processes, three simple steps, three simple items that's going to be needed to help you get started really quick. And that's going to be a booking system, an email marketing system, and a digital delivery platform where you can create digital products and services if you wish. So getting started can be as simple for you if you're not looking to do what I'm doing, and that's create digital products and service. Then you would only need a booking system that's going to allow you to get paid for people booking a consulting call or a coaching call with you, and email marketing system, because what you want to do is build an email list of your ideal client that's going to be looking to invest in consulting or coaching style programs from you based on what you have to offer. So for me, I have a coaching program that's designed to help women start their own tax preparation business from A to Z, remove all the guesswork, give them targeted training, help them fast track their success and become profitable in their first season. That's what I bring to the marketplace. I can deliver on that promise. It's up to you to be able to take care of the necessary tasks that you need to take care of while actually doing the work. And so what I help my clients do, and the majority of my women and the majority of my brand new to this career industry of tax preparation and taxation, is to set up their business structure for the paperwork needed to be considered a tax preparation service in the first place, teaching them the tax preparation skills in order to provide the service, teach them how to use professional software to do the work with, teach them basic marketing strategies to go out and get clients, help with their daily operational setup of having a tax preparation service, even if you're going to work locally or virtually or both. That's what I help get done with my mentorship and coaching program. And so with this online business startup, this is for people who looking to come online and either become a coach or a consultant or a combination of thereof, that's going to help people in a particular area to get a result much more faster and quicker and efficient than they could do if they had to do it by themselves. So that's the power of coaching and mentorship and consulting style business models, is they designed to help a particular client get a particular result uh, in a much more fast and efficient way than they can do on their own. And so what people don't understand is, being brand new to being in business, especially in this career industry, there's so many moving pieces to it that trying to do it by yourself can be frustrating, challenging, time consuming, and eventually you might just get so frustrated that you give up, and you don't want to do that. So to take away all that, if you want to invest in someone like myself, who's been around 21 years, 15 as a business owner, who help women get started very quickly when it comes to helping you set up the paperwork to be considered a tax service, as well as teaching you how to prepare basic income taxes, is what I bring to the marketplace. So if you're looking for that, reach me at 773-782-1320. I leave my contact information inside all my videos on YouTube, giving you permission to reach out and talk to me so we can build a relationship, build rapport, and get to know one another to see if I'm the right fit for you, because there's so many people out here claiming to be able to do what I do that you want to be able to pick the right person who fits with you when it comes to helping you start your own business in this awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation. So starting December 13th, we go live for 6 weeks, 1 day a week for 6 weeks, helping new entrepreneurs, inspiring entrepreneurs who want to do mentorship, coaching, consulting style programs, be able to leverage the internet, work from home, or work anywhere they want to work, as long as they got access to high-speed internet, a reliable device being a laptop or a computer, definitely a phone, and access to Zoom. Those are the basic components, along with having a booking system, email marketing system, and a product delivery system if you plan on doing all the things that I'm doing when it comes to having a coaching and consulting style business. You don't have to start with all those pieces. You can start with just one. You can start with a booking system where people strictly go and book a call, pay you, y'all meet on the date they selected on your calendar, and you do your thing. That's how simple this could be. This ain't rocket science. We ain't gonna complicate this. So starting December 13th for 6 straight weeks, 1 day a week, this is what we're gonna do. Walk potential new business owners through this process of starting their own mentorship, coaching, and consulting style business where they can have the time freedom to work wherever they want to work from, as long as they have the right tools and resources at their disposal. It can be done. You can make it happen. This can be you. And so what I won't do is sell you hype. I won't mislead you to get you to sign up with me, because that ain't the type of entrepreneur I am. That ain't the type of man I am. That ain't the type of business owner I am, because I have a reputation and a brand I'm trying to build, and I want to do it the right way every time. And you can't do it that way if you're going to mislead people with misleading and hypey messaging marketing messages. So I'm not going to tell you you're going to make 6 figures in 6 weeks, because that's not reality for 98% of the people that's going to try to come online and do this. So if you want the real deal, if you want the reality of what it's going to take for you to be successful online, and you want to have someone that's going to walk you through that, paint that picture for you, and let you determine from there if there's something you want to embark on or start an online business, then reach out to me, 773-782-1320, and I'll see you in my next video.